Today, we're going to demonstrate how Total Tech Construction Adhesive and Sealant is the all-in-one product. This is John. And as a handyman, you've handled all types of repairs, right?
That's right. I've seen it all.
Except Total Tech. Are you ready to see what this all-in-one can do?
Impress me. Wow, that is held together with Total Tech.
Sure is. Total Tech holds up to 430 pounds per square inch. We're almost there. Let's go ahead and throw that last block on. Total Tech is perfect for outdoor jobs because it can stand up to the weather and heavy use. It bonds to all kinds of materials, even delicates and mini plastics. Total Tech even bonds underwater.
We're not going to drain the tank first?
That sounds time consuming.
Whoa, this solves all water-related applications.
Total Tech also fills and bonds cracks and breaks so you can repair easily. And it's available in white and clear, so you always get a perfect finish. So tell me, John, what's the hardest part about sealing expansion joints outside?
Easy. Resistance to sunlight.
Polyurethanes don't resist UV light.
That's why Total Tech is perfect for sealing joints outside. It doesn't stiffen or crack.
What's this?
This is a rope braid made with Total Tech cured product. Check out how flexible it is.
Sure, but will it stay flexible?
Yes, it will. Total Tech can stretch up to 370% with full recovery.
No cracks.
You ready to give Total Tech one last test?
Let's do it.
Total Tech not only bonds underwater, it seals too.
Total Tech can seal that leak?
Of course. Let's do it.
I can't believe you can stop the leak on the spot.
And finished. So, do you think Total Tech will change the way you work?
Let's see. It's weatherproof. It works on all surfaces. It bonds and repairs and seals. It works fast and it dries in an hour. So yeah, definitely. Hey, can I keep this one?
Yeah, you've earned it.